Alright guys, I woke up early in the morning again we're going kayak fishing today at Citrus, and I'm going to give it a go. I think it's going to be pretty good. I'm going to be throwing some top water, 10.5s. One second. There we go. It's all fogged up. Yeah guys, so I'm going to get you when I'm out there. I'm going to see if I can get some today. Alright guys, we arrived. Kayak's ready to go in the water. Got my whole setup going here. GoPro waterproof in the front because it looks like it might rain. So yeah guys, I'm gonna film some B-roll, get in the water, and see if I can't get something today. But this is, to be honest, a lot lighter. Wow, I just spooked a good one. Alright guys, whatever. Well, I might as well start at this corner. Okay. Place usually holds a good amount of fish. Never really fished here in the morning though. Still have this buzzbait on. Must be caught on something. Yep. Yeah, anything it gets caught on, this thing really gets doused. Bunch of slick sludge at that edge. Alright guys, I ended up throwing on a lipless crankbait. I'll give that a try. Work a lot of water. This last time I was fishing here in the morning, this is what killed it. Wow, I think I just had something. I think it just hit right next to the kayak. I felt. Well, that was different. Ooh! Oh guys, I hope I'm getting this. This is a big one. Whoa! Whoa. Oh my God, guys. Look at this. Look at that one. Hope you guys can see that. Hey, Dad! Guys, look at that. Guys, he broke. Oh, I'm shaking. He broke the lipless. Look at that. Look at that. I'd say 5 pounds. Alright guys, let's get him off. He was barely hooked too. Oh my god. See, I'm not even gonna be able to use this rattle trap anymore. He legit broke it. Wow. Wow, guys. We gotta look at that. Like, take a look at that. That's crazy. He legit broke it. I'm just gonna keep using it because it's not that bad. He only broke one. I think I'll still be able to use it. Guys, he had one hook in him. I had to react with one hand and get him. I didn't think it was gonna be that big, but when he started pulling, alright guys, before the rain gets me from getting good audio, I'm gonna be getting out of here. It started lightning and it's starting to rain again. So we're gonna get out of here, guys, and I'm gonna catch you in the house, and I gotta put the kayaks in the back. So I'll catch you guys once I get home. So yeah, guys, this is practically gonna wrap up the day. I got some new tackle that I'll probably do a video on that tomorrow. So I'll be going over the new tackle I got and little in detail on how to use it, whatnot. You know, the average thing I usually do with tackle. So yeah, guys, like always, it's your boy Roland Rossi. Like, comment, subscribe, and like always, guys, keep it rolling, and thanks for watching.